Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Mama Blossom here. Tonight dinner we're making dry fish combo with ayot, kisra. So that is fish, dry fish, okra, spinach and peanut butter. We call it combo. I think this is my second time making this, so I'm not that confident. But yeah, I just have to show you guys. If anybody has any correction, you are welcome to do so, because that's how we learn.
Oh, Amir!
Lulu, can you give me oil?
Yeah?
Yeah, seeing you're doing nothing here, give me oil, mommy.
Huh?
Give me oil. Yes, bring it. Yeah, don't drop it. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you, mommy.
Huh?
Hug. Hug.
What am I doing?
I'm cooking.
What are you doing?
So dry fish, I already cleaned it. So it's already clean. I'm gonna put it in here.
Hot water?
Hot water.
Uh-oh. Dirty color.
Add water.
Wait.
So they say I should not put too much spices in here. So I'm just gonna use Vegeta.
What are we doing?
I'm cooking fish.
Beef?
And then cubes.
Ew! I love beef.
Yeah, I'm cooking fish.
I love beef.
You want fish?
No, Mom. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
Lulu? Okay, here. Put it in. Good girl. And that's it. We're now going to let it cook. Okra. This. Yeah. Don't touch Lulu, please. Yeah. This is our spinach. We're gonna wash it. Uh-oh.
Too much.
Too much? It's not too much, Lulu.
Mom.
Ooh! Lulu, you know what is this? What is it? Huh? Spinach. It's spinach. So I'm using baby spinach.
No,
You don't have to cut it.
Huh? Well, Mommy.
okra, no, please. Hey, Bobby, let's go.
What? You done?
Let it cook a little bit more.
You done?
And our fish is done cooking, so I'm gonna turn it off.
Look there. Sit down.
Hmm?
And also put on the music outside.
Who's outside?
I think Daddy. Mommy, put you over.
Time to cook the okra. Hot water. Is your daddy putting them in? Okay, so now we're going to add this mixture into the okra. Yeah. What are you doing? I'll keep this a little bit for the spinach. Spinach.
Daddy got me load the grass.
Huh?
Daddy got me.
And a little peanut butter. Hmm?
I love you.
Mm. And we're done cooking. Now time to do the kisra. Okay, I am going to mix kisra. So the sorghum is already fermented, so I'm just gonna add plain flour into it. Yakin. Slowly. Don't touch. Lulu. Okay. You're happy? See that? Yeah, not turn right in you. Peekaboo, daddy.
Oh, Eloy. But eat that up.
Your turn? Okay. Okay.
Again.
Again. Okay, let mommy do it. And this is how our kisra is looking.
Huh?
Peekaboo again.
Daddy, you that. I'm trying that.
Now we're gonna leave it for it to make bubbles rise up, and it should be ready to cook.
Ready to cook.
Yeah, ready to cook.
my turn?
Yes.
Nah.
And you too. And let's stretch.
You gonna pick it back?
Let's stretch. Look, come. Let's stretch. Look, it's fun. Look. Kisra. Why you took my wife?
See, Lulu? Easy peasy. Your turn. Get out there. Go down.